everyone, my name's Rell and welcome to my channel, Rell's Art and Craft Studio. I hope you're all having an awesome day and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to bring you today's video. This painting has turned out so awesome and it's actually one of my favourites so far. So what I've done is a resin painting, and it's on an 18-inch piece of MDF board that I've cut up, and I use the Apoxie Sculpt for the borders. And just put it down. I'd actually put some pencil down first, so I put it down just to mark out where I wanted to go. This is probably only the second time I've used this Apoxie Sculpt and found it really easy to work with. Then what I did was just painted the board in some colours that I had an idea of what I wanted to paint in the end with the resin. And then I'm just laying down some stones. I'm just using the Elmer's craft glue to put the stones down with, and I've got some black stones, some amethyst, also some of the dark purple and some gold stones. Now those gold and purple stones, I actually just did them myself. I used the Jacquard Pinata Alcohol Inks, and I just put them in a plastic cup and mix the stones in there and put the ink in, then laid them out flat and let them dry, and they actually turned out really well. The other little gems on the side, they're just some synthetic stones that I bought at a Dollar Tree store as well. And then I've just put some more paint on and brushed it down a bit more because I wanted that colour underneath to come out darker and that white to be really crisp. These are the actual colours I've used, and you'll actually see all the description in the description below for the colours I've used. Now, I apologise for the quality of the next part of the filming where I've laid down the colour. I have no idea why my camera is so fuzzy. I did at intervals during the video, I've turned the view around because for some reason that light is shining straight on there and it's really hard to see. So I do apologise for the poor quality of that, but you'll see the end product, and as I said, I think it came out really well. So if you like the video, please don't forget if you could like and subscribe. If you want to leave a comment for me down below, by all means do, and I'll reply to you. You can also follow me on my Facebook page or Instagram, and I'm posting lots and lots of pictures at the moment, and that's at Rell's Art and Craft Studio. Here's the final product, and for some reason my camera decided to start focusing again. So it does look really good, and I'm really pleased with it, and I'm happy with the way it's all come out. These pictures, I've still got the tape on it, and I'll take the tape off about maybe 4 hours after I've poured it, just to let the resin pour down the side. And as I said, the colour mixed with the purples and the gold and the black is just stunning. So again, I really do hope you enjoy the video, and stay tuned. I'll have another video posting for next Tuesday. So thanks again, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye for now.